Hello, this is Lakshman with my teammates Vishnu, Akhilesh and Ayappa. We are here today to present our project Smart Energy.
Hello,
Today we are here
this is
to
Lakshman
present our
with my
project.
teammates.
Our project
Vishnu,
helps the users
Akhilesh,
get
and
to know
Ayappa.
how much
We are
electricity
here today
bill they
to
should
present
get based
our
on the
project,
list of inputs
Smart
they
Energy.
provide. We took the survey
So,
results from thousands of families to design our model. A lot
these
of
are the
research has
contents.
been done to make the project
We'll be
real-time
discussing
and
about
make
the
the
theme of our
application
project,
effective by
use case
allowing the
diagram,
users to give
system
any value as
architecture,
input.
tools and
Our application is not
technologies,
confined to the
R
data
and
that is
Rattle,
present in the
which are
database.
statistical
The
tools,
model runs at the back end
basic
whenever the
analytical
user
tools,
enters the input
and a
and
working
gives
demo of
the
our project,
recommendation. A
future
console
enhancements
application
of our
pops up.
project, and thank you.
Unlike Mahout, which does
So,
batch processing, R helps
main
us
idea
process any
of our
request
project was to
in a
create a
couple of
mashup
seconds. Thus,
application
our application
where
is a
user will
real-time
get to
application.
know
The tools and
how
technologies
much
that we used
electricity
are
bill
Rattle,
he'll
Script,
get based
and
on
Visual
the
Studio.
appliances that he used
We
and the number
had
of
to
people in his family.
filter our attributes from
We have done lots
1500
of
to
research
55. Thus, we
about
used Rattle. We have made
making our
some
project a real time rather than
iterations
relying
to
on the database and
decide on
asking
the final
users
model.
to just
And
give the
for Visual
information that
Studio, we'll have to
that
just
we
import
basically
our
would
package,
like.
and we have done all the coding in our R. The data that we got, it's a survey data that has 50,000 records and 1,300 odd attributes. We have trained and tested our model using these 50,000 odd records. Decision has been made to use Rattle, which is like a graphical data mining application. And these are the following steps that we have followed to decide our model. This is the GUI of R and Rattle. We have data, explore, test, transform, cluster, associate, model, and finally evaluate the model. This is the model page wherein we have the decision tree, random forest, linear, neutral, net, and we can even run all the models, and then we can evaluate the models by just checking the score. The model that suits our data the best, we'll consider that model. For us, we have considered decision tree model. Let's see the working demo. Apologies for the bad UI. We haven't concentrated on the UI. We are just researching on the background stuff to make our application real time. Basically, the user has to register. So it asks for the username and password. If he is a first-time user, then he has to register using his email ID. Then comes the home page where user has to enter all the details of the appliances or the number of people in the family or other miscellaneous stuff. Once the user enters the details, then runs the console application. This shouldn't take more than 5-10 seconds. Once the application runs successfully, we get the result here. For the example that I'm currently stating, the estimated bill is like $1,300 per month. These are the future enhancements that we're planning for our project. Once the user understands the average electricity charges per month in his community, he can set an over limit value. Based on the daily usage, we would take the existing data and estimate the electric charges for the month. If the estimate charges crosses the over limit, then we will warn the user. Once the user enters the input and is recommended with the average electricity bill, the data has to sit in the database, and it has to first look into the database to get back to the user. And this work was done in partial fulfillment of the requirements of CS560, Knowledge Discovery and Management, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Missouri, Kansas City. Thanks to Dr. Young Lee and our teaching assistant, Fichen Shen. Thank you.